As creatives, we want to be recognized for our skills, work with more creatives, and most importantly, on more successful projects. Now, in order to do that, we need to instill confidence in others, inspire those around us, and attract like-minded people. So, your reputation. How do we build that up? Now, if we think of reputation as a building, the foundation is your work, okay? The better your work, the stronger the foundation, the greater a reputation you can build. It's as simple as that. There's no bypassing that. And the beautiful thing about doing great work is that leads to word of mouth. Now, I'm only going to skim over this quickly because you've probably heard it a million times. Word of mouth is great. It's pre-approved social proof that's non-biased that other people give on your behalf. You can sit by the campfire and basically wait. The problem with word of mouth is you have no autonomy or agency over controlling how fast or slow it actually gets out there. You have no agency other than doing the best work you can on the current projects you're currently working on in order to improve your word of mouth. So what else can you do? If you want to build up a reputation, connect with other people, connect with like-minded people, inspire others, give a fuck about those around you. If you want to reach out to somebody, don't reach out so you can find out what they can give you. Reach out because you give a fuck about learning about them, listening to them, because you genuinely care. Don't create a list of names just because you want to fucking build up some business or start selling to them. No, that's not how networking works in the music industry. It works by giving a fuck, and people have their bullshitometers on level 99. They know when you're crapping on, and we've all done it in the past. So simple as this, if you want to build a network, find people that you genuinely are interested in, that you want to learn more about, that you feel that you can genuinely bring something to the table to help them before you even mention what you do in the industry. Here's a caveat to reaching out and networking and giving a fuck about others. We're all humans, we all connect on different levels, and no, we're not always going to see eye to eye, which means you're going to hit it off like fire with some people, and others, well, you're just going to be left on unread, or they might not be all that interested, and that's perfectly fine. But inherent to reaching out to others is also the team and network you build around yourself, and building up people that share the same values as you, and that help build up your weaker points, that help fulfill parts of your project where there can be improvements. Having a team around you is a win-win for everybody. Not only the artist, the client, or the project itself, but also for having people involved in a project in your team, and they get more work, and then your work sounds better, and then the client's work sounds better. It's great. So if you want to build up your reputation, if you want to attract more successful clients, build up a team that really enables you to do the work that is deserving of having more successful clients. And the final thing to do is show your work. Now, it's no one's responsibility to go out and sing your praises. It's no one's at all. But you can do something about that. You can talk about things you're passionate about. You can put out word of mouth. You can show people how you go about things in your studio or in your creative life, and not to the sense that you brag or you name drop or you don't show any humility, but to the sense that you're trying to connect with people on something you're passionate about. And if you're truly passionate about it, like I am about helping those, like my biggest passion at the moment is the music industry itself and those in it. So that's why I make videos like this. For others, it might be that they just absolutely love analog gear. So they might make a YouTube channel or start posting all about analog gear, and that's their passion. But this is really important that you connect people with the work you do and the things you're passionate about and you connect with, because that's going to create a good bond to actually start giving a fuck about one another, where people might actually be reaching out to you instead of you to them. Now, these are my sort of things on how to build up a reputation, by inspiring others, instilling confidence in others, and attracting, like-minded people. Guys, I hope this video helped you out, and until next time, take care.